Hello guys, welcome back to today's video, and today's video going to be some different, and in this video I will unboxing my PW Campus Ambassador welcome kit. So let's start. Now I am unboxing the box and just open. Unboxing the kit. Yeah. Now here it is given. This is chocolate Ferrari Rocha. You can see Ferrari Rocha. Okay, I will review this chocolate. So wait for that video. And second one is PW Campus Ambassador water bottle. And written physics wala, it's emotion. Yeah, and it is light. Then a pen and written physics wala. And next one, and now let's see. I think there is something. And here you can see physics wala Campus Ambassador, and here you can see a Campus Ambassador. Big shout out to you doing this incredible job as a physics wala Campus Ambassador. This one. Okay, now let's see what are given in this box. And this is physics wala notepad, and notepad is very important for me. I very need notepad for my video. And this was the t-shirt. Okay, this was the t-shirt. Here it is. Let's see, physics wala Campus Ambassador, and back side you can see Campus Ambassador. Okay, and something given. Yeah, here is given one thing. Here it is sound bulbs, and it is from Amazon Basics. This one, and I think it have Bluetooth connection maybe. And this was, there is many option, and you can see power on, and there is USB and DC 5 voltage cord also. Okay, and just given the cable of this for this, and here is the manual. This one. Okay, and these are all things I have get in welcome kit, and I have reviewed all of these. So see you next video. Till then, bye bye.